Exploring Outlet Stores, a guide to savvy shopping. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic in the world of shopping in English language: outlet stores. If you've ever wondered what these stores are and how they differ from regular retail stores, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the mystery of outlet stores together. Outlet stores started as a way for manufacturers to sell their excess or slightly imperfect merchandise directly to consumers at a reduced price. These stores are often located away from traditional shopping malls. Initially, they were attached to factories, but now they can be found in various locations. The key aspect of outlet stores is that they offer products from a single brand or manufacturer at discounted prices. Over the years, outlet stores have evolved. They no longer just sell overstocked or defective items. Nowadays, many brands manufacture specific products solely for their outlet stores. These items may be of different quality or design than the products sold in regular retail stores. This shift has made outlet shopping a more diverse experience, offering a blend of discounted older styles and specially made products. Shopping at outlet stores can be a great way to save money, but it's important to shop smart. Here are some tips. Compare prices. Sometimes, the discounted price at an outlet store may not be much lower than the retail price. It's wise to compare before buying. Check quality. Be aware that some products may be made specifically for outlets and could differ in quality. Understand return policies. Outlet stores may have different return policies compared to regular stores. Always check these before purchasing. Visiting an outlet store can be quite different from a regular retail store. These stores often have a clearance section, where prices are even lower. The layout may be more basic, and the focus is typically on providing a wide variety of products at lower prices. It's a treasure hunt experience, as you might find great deals on products that aren't available elsewhere. We hope this video has shed light on the intriguing world of outlet stores. Remember, outlet shopping can be a fantastic way to find bargains, but it's always important to shop wisely. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping!